This is a 2007 Mini Cooper S. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 38,000 miles. Not to mention that this Mini qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.